Good morning to all. My topic is antenna. What is an antenna? An antenna is a device that converts electrical signal into radio waves and vice versa. Antenna are used in telecom system to transmit and receive information wirelessly. The types of antenna is first one is the dipole antenna, then monopole antenna, sector antenna, omnidirectional antenna, parabolic antenna, and the application of telecom. Dipole antennas consist of two identical conductive elements. It's usually rods or wires that are separated by a small distance. The advantages of the dipole antenna is simple and inexpensive to build, easy to install and maintain. The disadvantage of the dipole antenna is not suitable for point to point communication, not suitable for very high or very low frequencies. Monopole are single conductive elements. It is usually rods or wires and that is connected to a ground plane. The advantage of monopole antennas have the straightforward design. It's typically consisting of a single conductor mounted over a ground plane. Disadvantage is the installation of monopole antennas requires a careful consideration of mountain location and height. Parabolic antenna are disc shape antenna used to point connection. It is usually in the microwave link. The advantage of the parabolic antenna, it is a high gain. Parabolic antenna can focus a signal into a narrow beam, allowing for high directional gain. Disadvantage is parabolic antenna, especially those with high gain, tend to be large and heavy. The large surface area of parabolic dishes makes them susceptible to wind loads. Application of the telecom antenna. The antenna are used in various telecommunication applications. Cellular networks for 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. Wireless access point, for example, Wi-Fi, microwave link, and the satellite communications.